Hi guys, it's Mr. David again, and we have another lesson to continue our new topic about house. But before we start, let's talk about the date. What is the date today? Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of April 2020. What about the season? What is the season? So it is spring. And what about the weather? If I look outside, I can see that it is cloudy and windy. It is very windy. Before we start the lesson, let's first revise the words that we learned in our previous lesson. I will say the word and you will repeat after me. Bedroom. Repeat. Bedroom. Living room. Bathroom. Kitchen. House. Garden. Garage. Attic. Basement. And balcony. So don't forget that these were the 10 words that we learned in our previous lesson. Now also, let's revise present simple, interrogative, and the short answers. For example, am I? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you? Yes, you are. No, you are not. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he is not. Is she? Yes, she is. No, she is not. Is it? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Are we? Yes, we are. No, we are not. Are you? Yes, you are. No, you are not. And are they? Yes, they are. No, they are not. This part is the most important for today's lesson because today we are going to ask some questions. We are going to look at the pictures and ask questions about those pictures and answer those questions. Let's try with the first one. We are going to look at the picture and you can see the question on the top. Is it a balcony? Now look at the picture. Is it a balcony?
Is it a balcony?
No, it is not. So because the question has is it, the answer has to be it is. So we use the same words. Is it a balcony? No, it is not. So what is it? It is a house. Very good. It is a house. Let's try the next picture. Let's look at the picture. Now let's read the question together. Is it a basement? No. No, it is not. It is a kitchen. Very good. Let's try it again. So we look at the picture and it asks, is it a garage? Yes. Yes, it is. So this one is very simple. Let's look at the next picture. Is it a bedroom? Well, sometimes we can sleep there, but it is not a bedroom. So no, it is not. So what is it? Can you tell me? It is a living room. Very good. One more picture. Is it a bathroom? No, it is not. It is an attic. And one more picture. Is it a garden? Well, sometimes we can have flowers in here, but it is not a garden. So we say, no, it is not. It is a bedroom. Very good. And let's look at the last picture. Is it a bedroom? It has a bedroom, but it is not a bedroom. So no, it is not. It is a house. Very good. Well done. Now we are going to ask some other questions about where things are. It says, look at these pictures and answer the questions as quickly as you can. So you have to try to be quicker than me. Let's try. So look at the chicken. So now it's gonna ask, is it in the bathroom? So is the chicken in the bathroom? No, it is not. So where is the chicken? It is in the attic. Very good. This was an example. Now let's try to do it a little bit quicker. Try to answer the questions. So let's look at the dogs. So they. Are they in the garden? So look at the picture. Are they in the garden? No, they are not. They are in the bedroom. Very good. Let's look at the next picture. Look at the boy. And boy means he. Is he in the balcony? Let's look at the picture. Sometimes this place has a balcony, but it is not a balcony. So, no, he is not. So, where is he? Can you tell me? He is in the living room. Very good. One more picture. Now look at the girl. Is she in the house? No, she is not. So where is she? She is in the garage. Very good. Now look at those people. Now one of them is asking, are we in the house? No, we are not. So where are they? They will say, we are in the garden. Very good. Now look at Mr. David. And Mr. David is asking, am I in the kitchen? No, I am not. So where am I? Look at the picture and tell me, where am I? I am in the bathroom. Very good. So now you know how to ask questions and how to answer them about what is what and about where people or animals are. Very good job. So today's lesson is over and you did great. Keep practicing and doing the exercises and you will do amazingly well. I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!